Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can see your pending Robux in Roblox. So after you have gone to the Roblox homepage, all you have to do to see your pending Robux is click on the Robux icon right here in the top right corner, and then just click on your current amount of Robux that you have. So from here, as you can see, you will see all of your transactions, your incoming Robux, as well as your outgoing Robux. So if you have any incoming Robux or pending Robux, it should pop up right here. So that is one way of how you can view it. But before you go, if you want an even easier way, all you have to do is just change this URL here, /home to /transactions, and it will take you to the very same page. And here is where you will be able to see your pending Robux in Roblox. Leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out. I will see you next time. Goodbye.